Hi, I am Rachel, cleaning expert of sanitizationsingapore.com. Today I will show you the best method to remove CBD oil stain from your clothes. Does CBD oil stain clothes? Yes, hemp seed oil can stain your clothes. Will CBD oil stain damage clothes? No, CBD oil stains will not damage clothes as long as you remove them right away. What can remove CBD oil from clothes? White vinegar, baking soda, salt, enzyme-based cleaners and pretreatment sprays can remove CBD stain from clothes. Personally, I vote for white vinegar and baking soda. How to remove CBD oil stain from clothes with white vinegar and baking soda. 1. Just dab the stained area with soapy rag, towel, or paper towel for 20 seconds. 2. Put baking soda on the affected spots underside and top side. 3. Wait for 15 minutes for the baking soda to turn clumpy and brown. 4. Scrape off the baking soda from the garment. 5. Soak it in distilled white vinegar for up to 10 minutes. 6. Rinse the garment in hot water and let it dry.